Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this very short lecture, we are going to go over two different ways of saying what in Russian, что and какой. In English, we say what without distinguishing necessarily what part of speech that is. But in Russian, you always have to know what part of speech you're using, and things like nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and verbs have very distinct forms and you can't mix them up. And so Russian has two words that can be translated into English as what. The first is что, and note the spelling. We write что, but we say что. And что is an interrogative pronoun. It is asking what something is and should be answered with a noun. So we can say, for instance, что это? What is this? Это мой учебник. This is my textbook. And then we have this word какой, which is an interrogative adjective. And it means something like what or what kind of or what something is like. And it should be answered with an adjective. So we could say, for example, какой учебник? Which textbook or what kind of textbook? And the answer would be something like новый учебник, a new textbook. And какой is an adjective and has all the regular adjective endings, which you just learned in the last lecture. And so we would say какой учебник, какая книга, какое радио, какие книги, and so on and so forth. And so that is что versus какой. Once again, it might take a little while to get used to it, but once you do, it's really straightforward. And что is answered with a noun, and какой is answered with an adjective. That's the important thing to remember.